find something so that I can make the helicopter come near me. I think this TNT would do something good. Ah, can't press it there. Need another block. Didn't get it. Yeah. What? And it's still not came? Ugh. Ooh, I got some wood. I didn't get some more of this wood. Oh, I have an axe. It's a bit hard. There we go. Need to find a way to get to that. Do I have any fire or anything? Well, I'm right under it now. But I don't think there's any more way up. Yeah. Yeah. Get up here. Yeah. I see it. I must get up. Yeah. Where is it? It's up there. Over here. How can it not hear me? Can make some planks with these. Right, now I can get up. Yeah. Paul, I'm back. Where's Paul? Paul. Where did he go? He was there when I left. Oh, I see the temple. I don't like that temple. And the shoot. Yay, I shot. Wait, you hit a twig. Oh, there's a box. Ooh, some pumpkin pie. Yummy. Some more melon. I ate all my melon. Cake. I love cake. And there's a parachute. Okay. And I got a diamond sword. Yay! I got a parachute though. I think this would be quicker. Whee! Yeah. Okay. Right, I'm on the temple. Oh, there's my arrow. Yay, got my arrow.
I thought I told you never to come back here.
Oh no. What was that?
Now you will die.